you haven't already signed a waiver with us, you need a waiver.
Team USA Paradragon wristband. So that's for you and your crew, okay? So,
you guys in Vegas.
So that allows you to take your reps. As you come forward, you're going to rotate your body and run your belly button towards the center. You're going to move forward. You can out your body. So you're going to be line up now. Rotate and reach forward. Your shoulder will be offset your shoulder. Your production will just honor the inside chest. Because hit the paddle with the body. But again, the arms are right up. And you're connecting to your torso. So you want to be using your torso to rotate and sit up. So you lean forward a little bit, and then come back and you sit up. And your chin about where your knee is. That's about where we want to get that down. That's the goal. There. Again, your arms are relatively extended. The bottom arm.
Last time I saw them, they were fine. No, the bottom.
Then we don't open it. And then we're going to reverse it with that. So ready to go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, Skip. Hey, Skip. What's the boat number? What's our boat number? Hey, don't anybody listen up. You're going to do an about face at 180. You're going to walk out both sides of boat 6. You have to come down to the water. Yep, it's that green boat right there. Come on. That's where we're headed. Hey, Skip. Lead us out, Skip. Let's keep everything in order. Come out.
right. If you can't lift, do not lift.
Don't lift it.
Don't. No back injuries. No leg injuries.
Just follow the boat along down the way, okay?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll move over to
Julius and Katie here? Yep, right here.
They're up front.
All right. Don't lift. There's a handle.
Remember, it's a team effort. Everybody lifts at the same time.
Okay. We've snapped the wood. The wood is good. We ready? Yep. Who wants to call it?
We're short on this side. Yeah.
Are we all ready? Engage.
Yeah, 'cause we got two.
There's one more spot over on this
Engage your
side.
handle.
Who's that?
No. We got everybody, it's just they can't lift.
On this side too.
Just a couple people who can't lift, that's all. That's all.
Okay. All right, let's give it a shot.
Everybody on
One,
three.
two.
Three.
Up. Good job, everybody.
That's good. We've got the Philippines team, national team. We've got yes. We've got adaptive fusion. Woohoo!
Wow, we got a lot of strong people because I'm not stringing that much. It's formal.
It's okay, Rudy. Just take it easy. Just follow us how you can.
Like that? Yeah. All right. Keep going.
Down easy.
Do you want us to get in from the water?
Good job.
Yeah. No, I'll try.
If you can't get in from the side, you have to walk down.
I was looking. All right, there we go.
The water's nice. It's not too cold.
What are you doing?
No, it's not a day to go. No days.
Go ahead and get in.
It already didn't work.
Huh? Go ahead and get in.
Hey, Bob.
Shorted out this way.
Hello, Bob.
That might be locked up on you.
No, it's in default mode, which is slow mode. Yeah, I'm good.
Have one extra paddle back here.
Mary.
To the right. And then there are what they call oil islands. Oil islands. You see those palm trees way out there? Yeah. It's an island. They pump oil. And there's a big break there. I see a ship.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
That's how close we are.
I know, that's fine. It's fine. I did too.
Take a look, but not today. Okay.
Oh, one. Nice and gentle.
Okay, check. Check. Let it ride.
Just like we're not even gonna.
Okay.
Are we taking it up?
Oh, here comes Barry.
we need to bring it up. Because she said there seems to be a lot of teens on the beach, so maybe we'll
That's a good thing.
maybe we'll get lucky.
But once you start coming out and practicing, it clicks. You'll start understanding what Steve's talking about. Backs to, position 2 and position 3.